Hello, welcome back to Rev Solution. This is going to be a quick video about my frustration, and probably yours as well, about UK fuel prices. In the last couple of days, they're just getting more and more ridiculous. Yesterday, I left home at 12 o'clock, lunchtime, and one of the petrol stations was 1.76. I came home 12 hours later, and it had gone up to 1.82. 6 pence in 12 hours. Esso, I'm going to call you out, Esso. How can you justify that? A 6 pence increase in 12 hours. Absolutely disgusting. Now I'm going to need to fill up this bike, which is probably going to cost me a fortune now. Okay, so what we're looking at, paying in kiosk, petrol 175.9. Absolute disgrace, disgusting, and it just keeps getting more and more expensive, and I've just slashed it everywhere. In this day and age, you can't afford to splash it everywhere. That splash probably cost me about £5. As you can tell, I'm really angry with the cost of fuel at the moment. I'm going to have to keep an eye on the actual tank because I can't actually see the fuel going in. What are we up to now? Not even 5 litres, and it's costing nearly £8. Not even 5 litres worth of fuel. Absolutely ridiculous. The most expensive I've seen petrol at the moment is at the Rownham service stations on the M27. And I think that was £1.95 for petrol and about £1.99 for diesel. £1.99 for diesel. This time, January, you're still paying about £1.50, £1.40 something. It's just getting ridiculous. There you go, look, 10 litres, nearly £18 to fill up for 10 litres. Half a tank at the moment, £22. I think something needs to change. We need to lobby the government and hold them to account to get something done about this, because this is absolutely disgusting. Look at £30 for 17 litres worth of petrol. This is a ranting video, but I'm sure you can all relate to it. I'm gonna fill just 20 litres. There we go, 20 litres, £35. So I'm still 4 litres short of a full tank on the Africa Twin. £35, 20 litres. Absolutely bloody disgusting. Fuming. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this rant and rave for a few moments on the price of fuel. You can all relate to it. Something needs to happen. Until next time, ride safe and I'll see you soon.